with Marielody. Marielody.
Hi friends, welcome back to Marielody. We are gonna have the best day ever. Guess where we are? We are in Pier Village in Long Branch, and this is Cece and Jesse's favorite spot. Follow along and see what we're gonna do here. We are packing our Marielody bag for the day. We have sunglasses for Cece and Jesse. We have sunscreen. It looks like foam. Whoa! And we put it on our bodies that we don't get sunburn, right? Let's put it on our body. And then Cece loves this troll. Me too. Look at the pink little hair. Of course, a towel. Jesse picked out Pokemon for today. Let's put all of our stuff in the bag. And don't forget a bottle of water. Let's go. We're going mini golfing. Do you know how to golf? Jesse, should we teach them how to golf? Come on, let's go golfing. Oh no, golf is closed. But that's okay. There is so many different things here at Pier Village. Let's go to the, where do you think, Cece? Yes! You know what Cece said? She wants to go on the carousel! Let's do it! Come on, let's go see if they're open! Marielody, Cece, and Jesse love coming to Pier Village because there is so much to do. There's mini golf, there's carousel, there's candy store, there's ice cream store, bowling, and arcade. And best of all, look over here what we have. We can go to the beach! And we brought Troll. Sun tanning with our sunscreen on, our glasses on, and we're playing in the sand. Who's excited? We're gonna build a sand castle in the sand. We're gonna play in the sand. Look at the sand, how soft. Ooh, and let's build. Let's build a big. We're gonna put the troll right on the top. And watch, we could even get fun. And we're gonna sprinkle water around. Whoa, cool. We have to reapply our sunblock again. Remember I showed you? Whoa! Let's rub it in. Here we go. It's cleanup time. We're getting ready to go. We're walking on the boardwalk. Look where we are. Number one, I'm on a caterpillar. Do you know what a caterpillar is? What does a caterpillar turn into? Do you know? Jesse, you know. Yes, a beautiful butterfly. We're in the fire engine. Jesse and Cece are firefighters. Woo, woo, woo. Calling Jesse to put out the fire. Cece, are you helping Jesse? Yes, I am. We are at the carousel. Come, let's check it out. We see horses. Look at this horse. What does a horsey say? Neigh. But look at this one. Cece wants to ride the pelican. Jesse's on the clownfish, Nemo. Oh my goodness, this is so fun! Hold on tight, we're gonna go round and round!
Round and round we go, spinning fast and slow. Hold on tight, feel the breeze, riding high with ease. Wave left, wave right, laugh and smile so bright.
Let's go shopping. Cece's going shopping. Let's look around and see what they have in the store. They have a bead bar where you can make your own bracelets. Check it out. What color? Purple. And all the different colors are here. I want to see what it says. Find the joy. I am enough. Look, we found the arcade. Check it out. This is what Cece loves to do. We just bought our card and we're gonna play games. Games are so fun to play. Sometimes we win and sometimes we lose, but it's still so much fun to play and laugh about it. Come on, let's try and win a doll. Let's see, we may win, we may not, but we're gonna laugh about it. Let's do it. Here we go. We're gonna try right over here. Okay, Jessie, push it. Go, claw. Oh, man. We didn't win. It's okay. Let's play another game. Cece and Marielody love to play ball together, right? We're gonna play basketball. Let's see how many tickets we can win. Okay, here we go. Oh, boom. Come on, Jessie, you can do it. Score! Woohoo! 19 points. You ready? Go. We got a score of 25. I love this game. I'm gonna dance and see if I can do what they want me to do. Let's swipe and play. I'm a misser. Oh, it's like bowling, and we get points. Watch. Woo! We're driving a motorcycle. Vroom, vroom, vroom. This is amazing. Pier Village is so much fun. Did you have fun in this arcade? This is so fun. We did so much already. We checked out mini golf. It was closed, but that was okay because we got to go on the Carousel and we got to go to the beach. We went shopping with Cece and we did arcade with Jessie. Now I am hungry. Let's go get ice cream. We're at Cece's favorite ice cream shop, the Lighthouse, and she cannot wait for an ice cream treat. Hi, can we get a chocolate and vanilla? Thank you. Chocolate and vanilla ice cream on a cone. The best. After our treat of ices, we came to the park across the street. It's so much fun. All the children are playing and Cece wants to go down the yellow slide. 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Boom, 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 boom. We're doing the Can you hear me? My name is Marielody. What's yours? Cece. That was so much fun. Let's see where we're going next. Look where I am! We're at the splash park! I'm in my bathing suit and we're gonna get all wet. Follow me, let's see what's going on in the splash park. What happens here? You ready? We're gonna run through the water. Here we go. Follow me. Ah! Ah! Whoa, it's raining on me. Can I do it with you? Where does the water come out of? Ah, it's gonna splash us. I'm getting soaked. You see that big bucket? Every 3 minutes it fills up and then it spills and soaks everyone. Come on, let's see what happens. Here it goes. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No! Ah! When we run into the splash park, we wear water shoes, our bathing suit, and we get all wet. But it's so much fun because we get to run and have a good time and cool off from all the sun that's been beaming on us all day. I hope you enjoyed this amazing episode of all my favorite spots to go to on the Jersey Shore. Don't forget, like and subscribe.
Now it's time to say goodbye to Marielody. We hope to see you next time. Come back today.